Do you know the complete order of universe is determined under 12 universal laws? These 12 universal laws will help you to manifest everything in your life, like achieving your goals, your dreams, etc. If you don't know these 12 universal laws, you are in the right place. We all know the law of attraction is like attracts like. It is the one of the most powerful law in the universe. Along with the law of attraction, 12 universal laws determine the complete order of the universe. The 12 universal laws that will help you manifesting your dreams are: number 1, law of energy; number 2, law of rhythm; number 3, law of action; number 4, law of oneness; number 5, law of gender; number 6, law of polarity; number 7, law of relativity; number 8, law of transmutation of energy; number 9, law of compensation; number 10, law of cause and effect; number 11, law of attraction; number 12, law of correspondence. The 12 in this video I am gonna describe about law of energy. The law of energy states that everything in the world carries a specific vibrational frequency. We are not merely pieces of solid matter. We are energetic beings that are constantly vibrating. It also states that everything has its own specific vibrational frequency within the spectrum of energy. Every person, every object, every emotion, every thought, and every intention vibrates at specific frequency in the spectrum of energy. Law of energy is a piece of puzzle within our world. When you understand that everything in your life contains energy, it changes the way you see things. So understanding law of energy is so important. The law of energy states that everything around us contains energy. Not only pieces of solid matter existing in this universe. The food we eat, the emotions we feel, the words we speak, the actions we take all contains energy. Let's get into the relationship between the law of energy and us, means we all. When we are talking about the law of attraction, the main theme of law of attraction is like attracts like, means like energy attracts like energy, pain attracts pain, health attracts health, love attracts love. When you understand that the things what you feel, say and think are aligning with the similar frequencies within the universe, it changes your perspective on where you put your focus. It gives you the understanding that if you continue to allow anger and shame into your life, you are more likely to experience more of anger and more of shame. The law of energy can be a scary thing because it makes us realize that all of the anger and shame we hold within ourselves is drawing more of it to us. Let's get into the main theme of this video is how to make the law of energy work for you. If you see a lot of negativity in your life, all you need to do is turn that energy around. If I say create your own happiness. If you create your own happiness, it elevates your positive energy level. Then according to the law of attraction, positive energy attracts positive energy. First of all, we have to find the reason of our sadness or origin of our sadness. If we find the reason or origin of our sadness, we can easily remove them. Do you know that being mad or being sadness makes you elevate your negative energy level in your body? Elevating negative energy makes you attracting more negative energy towards your body. It makes you worse than before. Did you know that research studies states that actors who play stressful roles hurt their bodies in the same way as people who really go through this kind of stress? When an actor plays a character that is totally stressed out, they actually seriously risk their health and could even get some serious health problems such as heart attacks. It makes you think, right? So this means even if the circumstances are maybe not as bad, they can still make a huge impact on your body. According to law of attraction, a negative energy can attract more negative energy towards your body. So you have to remove the negative energy in your body. All you need is creating your own happiness. According to the another research of neurophysiology, it was found that only imagining that you are doing exercise can tone muscles and make you stronger. This means only imagining or acting as if is enough to create it in reality. It can be such a powerful tool if used in the right way. That makes it clear why I believe that visualization is such a valuable tool. Negative feelings create negative circumstance. So you have to create positive feelings in your life. How to create positive feelings when you are not feel good when something negative happens to you. So how can you act happy when you are in fact very sad, depressed, stressed out, or it's just not your day? Believe me, use a principle is fake it until you make it. Means it is not fake, it is only acting as things are already here. That is the law of attraction in practice. Every time you are unhappy or any little negative thought comes up, just fake your happiness. Of course, this tactic works with other parts of your life too, but just start with happy feelings for now. This is very powerful and so easy to implement. Another trick for creating your own happiness is when you smile, your emotions will follow you. Try to put a smile on your face in any hard situation. It will become so much easier from time to time. But that little smile on your face will change you so much. Try it out. Smile for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Do this exercise every day. Consistency is always important, especially here. Of course, this smile is just on the outside of your face. It is fake. It will probably feel wrong, but still your body will follow soon, and then so will your mind also follow your smile. So just smile. The science behind the smile is when you smile, your body releases neurotransmitters such as endorphins. This is triggered by the movements of the muscles in your face. Endorphins have a similar effect as a painkiller. They also bring you in a more relaxed state, and you probably guessed it, make you happier. So please smile. This acted happiness encourages the happy hormones, so you will start to feel more comfortable after just a few minutes. By using this method for a long time, you will see your life turning around to a happier you. To build this habit, there are two times in the day where this method is very effective. Just before going to sleep and right after waking up. Try it as a sort of meditation. It will work. Believe me, once you formed the habit of smiling during every night and every morning, it will become so much easier to do in your hard times. If you want to get more information like this, tap the subscribe button. Goodbye. See you soon.